In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the horns on your Cadillac Escalade located right behind the front bumper. Once you have your hood open, you want to go ahead and remove the 14 plastic locking buttons here. You can use your trim tool. I'm going to pop out the center of these lock buttons. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for the other buttons here. Once you have your push pins out, lift up on that cover and set it aside. Now right now I'm holding our replacement horn assembly in the exact position it is located on the vehicle. It's just down below underneath this support right here and is located in front of our windshield washer reservoir tank. Now there's a single 10mm bolt that comes through this bracket right here. It comes through on the other side, comes through a bracket onto a fixed welded nut, so the nut will stay there. We're going to reach down around the front side, use our socket and our 10mm socket and our ratchet to remove the bolt on here. I'm going to reach down between the tank and the radiator. I was able to pop the socket off of our ratchet, and once we get that bolt loose, we'll just spin it out the rest of the way by hand with the socket. All right, we got the bolt out. Now, as you start to pull the horn assembly up, the pigtail of the harness will be facing the bottom, so you're going to reach down with the other hand. You're going to pinch that little tab, disconnect the harness, and work your horn assembly out. Let's take our new horn assembly. Let's lower that down. Once we get that drop down in position, let's grab the pigtail harness and connect that to the factory harness. Line it up, you'll hear it and feel it snap into place. Now we just want to bring our horn assembly up. Get that lined up, and we'll go ahead and get that bolt set up so we can get that threaded in. And slide our horns and bracket up into place. Reach in there and get that bolt started. Now I get that bolt started, I put our deep socket on that bolt. I can spin that in as far as you can until that bolt snugs down. And switch over to our ratchet and we'll tighten that. And we'll get our ratchet on there. Now that we have our horn tightened down, let's go ahead and test it with the remote. That's working okay. Let's go ahead and install our upper shield. Install the upper cover. Now that we have our cover on, let's install our push pins. I'm going to press those in and then press in the center to lock it. Repeat for the other clips. Now let's go ahead and close our hood, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.